How to join a private FPL league. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can join a private FPL league. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, you have to open up the FPL application in your mobile device. Make sure that you're signed in. Now to join a private FPL league, head over to menu bar at the bottom. Tap on Fantasy. Once you're here, scroll down a bit and on the Leagues and Cups, there is a button that says Join League. So tap on Join a League. Now, once you land on Leagues interface, there are two options, whether you want to join a private league or a public. If you want to join a public, you could head over to public, then start or join a league. Now to join a private league, head over to private option and on the private tab, there is a text field that says enter code. So there you have to enter the private league code which is provided by the league admin. So tap on it, provide the code or enter the code which is provided by the invitation league admin and then tap on join a league. And that's it. That's how you can join a private FPL league, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.